Hello again. Just had a delivery. I was expecting my 12 pack replacement pack of Lef Blonde beer from BeerHawk, and I got an email saying there was a package on its way from BeerHawk, and this turned up not so long ago. So I'm thinking it is, well, it's called BeerBods, which is my subscription to, that's like the BeerHawk subscription beer club. So this has arrived. It's a very light box. Oh, so there's 4. Yeah, that's right. So cardboard. So you get your wee booklet. This is my first I've had for these. And you get 4 bottles. And there's a broken glass in it. So what have I got here? A Braybrook Session Lager. And Braybrook Beer Company is a brewery in the British countryside making high quality lagers to exacting German principles. This session lager is brewed in our state-of-the-art equipment. We use Pilsner and Munich malts from Bamberg, a generous dose of German hops and reverse osmosis water. All fermented slowly with our house lager yeast. It is then lagered for a minimum of 4 weeks. The end result is effectively a mini Pilsner, straw-coloured, crisp, moreish, light in alcohol but not in flavour. We hope you enjoy. So that's as basic as you get the label. I like that. Minimalist. Next one is Summer of 21 small beer. It's an IPA, 2.3 ABV. So this is something that would be drunk in the Middle Ages, like instead of water. I'll read all that stuff out when I review it. And this one is Hira, and that is Southern Hemisphere Pale. There is something written in there, HPO, in brackets in very small writing. Hira Southern Hemisphere Pale. So it's brewed at Newburn in Newcastle. I used to live in Newcastle, in northeast England. So this, I don't know, it's 4.2% alcohol. So I don't know what it is. It's like it's a pale ale. And finally, a saison, and that is, I don't know if you can make that out. I cannot read that off out. It's something Sky. Refreshing, slightly tart and delicately spicy farmhouse ale, a Franco-Belgian staple. Unfiltered, unfined, unpasteurised, drink fresh, serve cold. And that is from Linton on the Cambridgeshire, Essex, Suffolk border. Wildeskybrewing.com. Oh, so it's Wild Sky, WYLDE, and that's 4.8. So very nice, and a broken glass. So what I'll do is I'll take a photograph of that and send it off to them. They might send a replacement next time. We'll see. Because this is my introductory pack. I don't think you get a beer glass every month. I don't know. I shall look into that. But anyway, that was just a minor unboxing. Thanks for watching. First time I'm using my new microphone. I'm not sure about it. try to set it up. I set it up on the desk at the side. It was obscuring me. I set it up at the back, so it leaned over. It was still obscuring the camera. So I've put it on my breakfast bar on the far side, and I've got it stretched as far as it'll go. Whether it's picking me up properly, I don't know. If I speak there and say Mary had a little lamb, and I face this way, Mary had a little lamb, I would imagine it'll pick up that much better. I'm sure you're fascinated by that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now.